Alright, YouTube, for all you noobs out there trying to mount the Powerball onto your cylinders, which I just figured this out myself because I had the same dilemma. Alright, so you got that, you got your Powerball. It's got a hole in there, and there's a screw you get. See, the right way to put it on is this side. See how that's bigger than this side? What happens is this side right here is meant to fit around your cylinder right there. So in order to get that threaded on, you're probably thinking, well, what the hell, when you put the screw in there, it's not long enough to thread into there. So what you have to do is take off your collar here. Let's see, bear with me for a sec. So you pull off your collar. Okay, and then you see this little silver or copper, I don't know, whatever that is. Pull that out, and then now you see you got enough room right there for this to slide on. Let me go get the screw. Hold on. Alright, so I went and got the screw that it takes. When you order your Powerballs, at least from CCE, it'll come with the two ends like this. This is your flat end that goes onto your axle, and your Powerball will be inside there, and then you get two screws as well. So now if you look here, you see how far that cylinder is out. You slide that onto there, and then try and do this one-handed. You take your screw and you start threading it inside of there. I gotta get the tool. Alright. Okay. So, damn. Set this like that, hopefully. Alright. So then you start threading this in. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Thread that in. And you keep threading. And what that's gonna do is pull out that cylinder further. Just keep threading, just keep threading. Kind of quick. Alright. So once it stops and the ball starts spinning, go ahead and hold your ball and then twist it back off. Take that all the way back out. Now if you look, you can see how far that's sticking out. So then you grab your other side of your Powerball. So you grab this side, which is important. Put this on first. Or I guess probably could have slid it over the top. On the other one, I had already put that stem on there. So put that on. Take that copper collar piece, put that on there. Take this, screw this on. Oh shit. Okay, so screw that on. Okay, and once you get that on, see how much further out your cylinder is sticking? So then you can take your Powerball and it slides right onto there. And then you just go ahead and thread that in. And then when you mount it on your car, of course you'll have this welded onto your axle. And then when you get that screw in there and you mount it on your car, that Powerball will sit right down in there. And you slide that down. Yeah, see, I already fucked up. So, go ahead and slide that off. Okay, that's what you do. When you put your Powerball on, that's why it was important. Alright, here's the important part. Before you put your Powerball on like that, and you thread that screw in there, you got this. Well, it's not going to go on there now. This is the important part I was talking about. Set your Powerball down in there. So now you got it like that. Go ahead and line all that up, and then your Powerball will be locked inside of there. Then go ahead and just thread your screw inside there. Sit you down for a sec. So go ahead and thread that in there. And then, see? Now one of your cups is on there, so when it's on your, I'll do it like this. When it's on your axle, that'll get screwed down, and then you'll be able to pivot. Let me show you how it'll work. Okay, so then, like I said, you'll be able to go pivot as you extend your shit. So that's how you do that. Unless, I mean, you could take a punch or something and jam it down in there and try and move that cylinder right there. Try and move that down if you can. That's the easiest way I figured it out. Like I said, had to figure it out myself. So any of the other guys out there, like I said, I'm new to this too. So for any of you other newbies trying to figure that out or wondering, how you're supposed to do that, that's how it's done. Alright, YouTube, see you later.